1. They like to talk a lot. 2. Let's walk to the park. 1. All students must attend. 2. He kicked the ball. 3. I will call you tonight. 4. The leaves fall in autumn. 5. Let's go to the mall. 6. He is very tall. 7. The box is small. 8. They will install the software. One. He studies law. 2. She eats raw vegetables. 3. He saw a movie. 4. She couldn't stop yawning. 5. The hawk is flying high. One. What is the cause of this? 2. Let's pause the video. 3. She added sauce to the pasta. 4. They will launch the rocket. 5. The company is having an audit. One. He caught the ball. 2. She taught English. 1. She bought a new dress. 2. He thought about the problem. 1. Would you like tea or coffee? 2. This gift is for you. 3. He was born in July. 4. She cooked pork for dinner. 5. Sort the files by date. 6. Fill out the form. 7. They traveled north. 8. The meeting was short. 1. The lecture will bore you. 2. She wants more coffee. 1. The lion's roar is loud. 2. Write on the board.